Hey guys, this is Mike from Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the Final Fantasy VII Rebirth Deluxe Edition box for the PS5. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So not a common unboxing that I do for the channel, but because I am such a big Final Fantasy fan, I wanted to do an unboxing for this. I should have did this for the Final Fantasy VII Remake box that I bought, 4 years ago when that came out, but just to show you guys what goodies came out. So if you guys didn't know, of course, there are special edition games that come out, right? Especially when it comes to RPGs like this, right? There was a collector edition box actually that came out, but I didn't get to that in time before it sold out. Unfortunately, I think there was only a limited amount of copies for that. That came with like a figure and everything like that. This one, of course, still comes with a few goodies. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed for you. I kind of don't want to like mess up the seal here just because the box is a collector edition box also. So I'm gonna be as careful as I can with this. It's definitely a collector's item, and even if it's like probably one of the last generation of games to have an actual physical copy, right? I feel like the next generation of consoles might not be physical anymore. I think in the future we're gonna start seeing everything just be digital now. We're not gonna really be able to get cool stuff like this maybe 5 years down the road from now. I figured, hey, might as well do a final unboxing of something like this just because. Let's take a look at the back here, right? Defy Destiny Together. So it's going to be, this is basically disc 2 to Final Fantasy VII. I don't want to give you guys spoilers, right? But Final Fantasy VII was a 3-disc game originally for the PS1. This portion would be after the section in Midgar. In the original game, that section ended in disc 1, and disc 2, you finally get to go out into the open world. That's what this game is about, basically. And again, those are some of the main characters there. In the back, you have Aerith, Tifa, and Yuffie. You have Sephiroth right there, and you have Cloud on top, right? So let me see. I'm gonna try to see how this box specifically opens. Like I said, I definitely don't want to ruin the seals here, but it looks like it opens a specific way. I thought it was just gonna slide off, but it doesn't look like that. So let's take a look. Well, let's see if there's anything that comes off from the top. No, it looks like it opens from the side. So I'm gonna try to again be as careful as I can be. Here you go. So again, it opens on both sides. I think I started on this side. Let's take a look here, guys. Let's go ahead and move the tripod down just a little bit for you guys so you can kind of see what's coming out of the box here. So, okay, here we go. All right, so here's the actual game disc itself from the looks of it. Oh, it comes with a soundtrack. Cool. Okay, I don't think I have a CD player anymore, but that's definitely going to be a collector's item. Let's put that to the side here. And again, I'm probably going in reverse here, so that's probably the bottom portion. But yeah, here's the actual game itself, right? Final Fantasy VII Rebirth. Again, here's Zack, Sephiroth, and Cloud. Pretty cool, if you don't mind me saying, right? Again, glad to have a physical copy because I'm getting tired of these digital copies. The cool part about it is it does come with a special case for the CDs, right? So if you don't want to use these, you can actually use this. So let's take a look at the inside of this really quick. Nothing too fancy, no booklet or anything like that. It just comes with that. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and put this in the order that it comes with. And it does come with a little booklet also. So the art of Final Fantasy Rebirth, and again, spoilers for those of you guys who are looking at this, right? It does come with a section with characters, summons, enemies, environments, gadgets, etc. like that. So that's one of the original arts from Final Fantasy VII. From the actual like the actual booklet, or not booklet, yeah, basically the booklet from the original game. You're kind of getting remastered stuff here. Of course, this is the new version. So here's the Kate Sith with the gold saucer. You have the characters, Cloud. You have Barrett, right? Barrett was one of the OG characters, one of my personal favorites. Here's one of the waifus here, Tifa, who, a lot of people are kind of gravitating towards now that these games are back in re-release, I guess. The model character for her is definitely a beautiful, woman. Here is one of the protagonists from the game, Ares. Ares from the original game. Then I don't know why they changed the name to Aerith. I don't know if that was just a mess up or what, but I remember her original game was Ares with an S, and then they changed it to Aerith. We got Red 13. He is basically the last of his kind when it comes to his species. We have Yuffie, another waifu over here, another character. And the cool part of the thing about these characters are some of these characters are actually were optional. You didn't have to use them. You didn't have to play with them, etc. like that. Sid, which apparently he is not playable in this game, but he does make an appearance. I'm assuming he's going to be playable in the next game, though, along with Vincent. Here's Zack. Zack really wasn't a part of the main game on the original, but he definitely still has his own story if you played Crisis Core. Sephiroth, the main villain of the game, who's your big boss at the very, very end. Very cool looking character. You do have some sort of, I don't know what's going on here. I guess different style of arts here. I think in different parts of the game you do change outfits. So interesting. I'm surprised they didn't show Vincent. Where was Vincent at? I don't know who any of these people are. Billy. Again, these are probably just characters that do come out in the story. But they're just kind of giving you. And believe me, there's a lot of other characters in the game. I'm just kind of going through it. I'm surprised we didn't get a main character model for Vincent, though. That's interesting. Okay, hold on. Let me go back. Maybe I missed him. There he goes. Vincent. So here's one of the cooler characters. He actually got his own spin-off game, Dirge Cerberus. But, definitely, I guess he's one of the main character, or not main characters. He's one of those characters that you really don't have to use, but, he has his own story and side quest as well. In the game, and he's a very cool looking character. Like his main weapon is a gun, and his character is kind of weird. Like his limit break is it's like a zombie character. So there's that. But for the most part, guys, definitely am a fan of the book. Here's what the book looks like from the front and the back. Again, I don't think this comes with anything else, unfortunately. Hold on, I'm looking at my other phone here. 1 second, guys. But for the most part, I think the soundtrack is a nice little touch. Again, I don't have a CD player. I'm gonna maybe have to go buy one just to kind of listen to the soundtrack because, again, it's 2024. Who owns a CD player anymore? Oh, you know what? I have one in my car. So again, I might do that. But yeah, I guess this is just a quick unboxing, guys. I definitely I'm going to put all this stuff back. I'm going to try to put it back in the way it came. I'm not sure exactly why that has like a little tab, I guess just to pull it out. But I'm going to play the game, so keep an eye out, guys, because I might actually stream this game online through, pretty much I'm going to play it on my channel. I might see what I can do as far as playing the intro, but I wanted to do this little unboxing for you guys just because, again, this game is going to be very popular this season. And again, I'm a big Final Fantasy fan. So again, guys, if you guys like the video, smash that like button. If you guys like the channel, oh, you know what? Let me open this. Before I end this here, because I definitely want to see what's inside the case. Also, I really didn't open that. I didn't open the CD just because again, no CD player, and plus there's copyrighted music in there either way. So let's open this just to see what the CDs look like. Let me throw that away really quick. And I don't know how I missed that, guys. Here we go. So again, I'm gonna block that just because I think it has like codes or whatever that you can use. But it does come with just 2 CDs, plain, nothing fancy. I'm not a fan of the design on the CDs, honestly. But again, there's the main character himself, Sephiroth, and then there's Cloud. The CD's kind of upside down. But okay, guys, that's gonna basically be it for the Final Fantasy VII. Rebirth unboxing deluxe edition. So again, guys, if you guys liked the video, again, appreciate it, smash that like button, and we'll see you guys next time. Okay.